Graphical Estimation in Xactimate gives you a visual guide for placing line items. Instead of applying items to the whole roof using the Estimate Items tab, Graphical Estimation shows you exactly where you're adding items in your sketch, whether it's the entire roof, a specific roof face, or a particular section. This feature makes adding line items to your sketch simple and quick, eliminating the need for complex calculations. In the search pane on the left, I'll search for laminated composition shingles and click to load it on the cursor. To add the item to a specific roof face, I'll hover over the face number and click to place it. You'll notice that the face turned green, and you can see here that the item was added to that face. To select specific roof sections, I can hover the mouse above the name of that particular roof and click to place it there instead. Clicking on a face or section where I already added the item will remove it. The Graphical Estimation tool would be very limited if you had no way of changing the line item's activity code. Fortunately, Graphical Estimation allows you to make this change. In the search pane on the left, I'll search for the desired line item, Valley Metal, and click to load it on the cursor. The default activity for Valley Metal is Remove and Replace, as indicated by the ampersand symbol in the tooltip. However, I only need to replace the Valley Metal on this roof. I'll hover the cursor over the roof, then right-click the mouse button. This brings up the Add Line Item window along with the related items list. This Add Line Item window is basically identical to the Line Item entry pane, which you use in the Estimate Items tab. I'll click the Activity drop-down list and choose the activity I want to use. In this case, Replace, then click OK. After clicking OK, the tooltip displays a plus symbol for the line item. With the cursor over the roof, I'll left-click the mouse button to place the Valley Metal and press Escape on the keyboard to clear the selection from the cursor. Changing a line item's calculation is very similar to changing its activity code. In the search pane on the left, I'll search for roofing felt and click to load it on the cursor. With the cursor hovering over the roof, I'll right-click the mouse button to open the Add Line Item window and click the Calculator button next to the Calc field. The default calculation for this line item is squares. However, I only need to replace half of the roofing felt on this roof. The Calculator window allows you to enter specific quantities or variables for the entire roof or just portions of the roof. I'll click the Eraser button and type in the desired quantity. Then I'll click OK twice to return to the sketch. I now have the line item loaded onto the cursor, ready to be added to half of the squares on the roof. I'll click the roof to add this line item. I can check the items list to confirm the proper quantity of this line item has been added to the estimate. Some items don't automatically add when clicked, or I may only want to add them to a portion of a roof section. For these items, I can click and drag to place the item exactly where I need. Using graphical estimation on a roof is especially helpful when only a portion of the roof needs to be estimated and can help you add line items quickly and efficiently. Did you like this video and want to learn more? We offer a variety of training options. Just click the link in the description to find out more. Leave us a comment if there's anything you'd like to learn more about. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips each week.